Hello, my name is David Chipman with the Vertex team of Royal LePage. Welcome to 1769 March Road, a rural commercial property just under 5 acres, ready for your development. The property is situated right next to the Canada corridor for high tech and about 10 minutes from the Queensway. If you are interested in development, there's many potential uses such as animal care, animal hospital, artistic studio, automobile rental establishment, dealership, automobile service station, a bar, campground, car wash, and collection facilities, residential detached dwelling and gas bar, heavy equipment use, and also vehicle sales. If you're interested in those development opportunities, please call me, David Chipman, at 613-293-3686. Thank you.